So in this video, we're gonna be just yeah, doing this time problem. Again, another we're doing another word problem on yeah, a time problem. We're doing a time problem. So let's read the problem. The train was scheduled to arrive at 5:10 p.m. However, it was delayed for 25 minutes. What time was it when the train arrived? So you gotta add the time. So now you gotta just add the time. So let's take 5. Okay, just wait a minute. 5. Wait, I can't. Okay, 5. 5. Let me just go over here a little bit. Okay, good. 5:10 p.m. 5:10. 5:10 p.m. P dot. So that was 5:10 p.m. Now we gotta um add 25 minutes. So like it was supposed to go at 10:30, like it was supposed to be at 10:30 at the station, but like it was delayed, so you gotta add 25 minutes. It was delayed 25 minutes. So you have to add 25 minutes. So 0 plus 5 equals 5. 1 plus 3 equals 3. And 5 plus 0 equals 5. Put this. And now so what is, so yeah. So our answer is 5:35 and PM. Don't forget to put PM or AM, okay? Um, 12 after 12 a.m. it's 1 p.m. and like it goes on like morning 11 a.m. then like it goes on 12 p.m. like it goes like that. So yeah, if I hope you enjoyed I mean understood something in this video. If you did, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.